Day 11, just feed and water, ordinary water. Then we give them last water on day 9, and we want them to sit out uh, the vaccine before we start giving them anti-coccidiosis. So what we plan to do is by tomorrow we'll give them Gomboro booster. It's another vaccine. We'll give them Gomboro tomorrow. Then 2 days after, that will be on that should be on day 14. On day 14, starting from day 14, we give them anticox. I have a drug that I use for anti-coccidiosis treatment, which is crop treat. This is what I use for coccidiosis treatment. Crop treat. It's actually a solution, so we mix it in water. Because I believe soluble drugs actually works faster than the powder form of medications. So that's why I prefer using this to the powder ones.